mature, tougher, and stronger. So, bisan kami, nakaagipipod mi ang grabe nga kalisod sa kinabuhi. And maunang, katong nag-decide ko kung asan mo eskwela for college, my only option was to go to a state university. And I was fortunate that I passed UPCAT, the UP College Admission Test, and I studied in UP Mindanao as a scholar ng bayan. Pasabot, wala ko nagbayad of tuition for 4 years, and at the same time, nagadawat ko ang allowance from the city government of Davao. Some might say na hayahay na kayo akong pag-eskwela or swerte kayo kung may libre ang akong pag-eskwela. But in reality, the opportunity I had, katong opportunity na ko mag-eskwela o libre, kay bunga to siya sa akong kakugipod sa pag-eskwela. Dili lalim maging scholar. To qualify as a scholar, you